Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display sales to admin only in shop front end in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we will add custom code using WP code plugin and we are going to show sales on shop front end. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down. On left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Now you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. In code you see class sale admin, so you can add some styling according to your requirement. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved, and we are going to add some CSS. Now go to customize section, we are in additional CSS. Now add CSS, you see class sale admin. Now back to code, you see class sale admin. Now back to CSS, so you can add styling according to your requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done and go to shop page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see sales admin only. Scroll down, now you see sales admin only, and this is our customer name. So after adding code, customer name show below the product. Now you see customer name here, and you will find code and CSS in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.